Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Oxford local and long-distance movers near me. If you need to move, you need to hire a cheap Oxford moving company to help. 3 Movers is your trusted partner for your next move. Our company ensures it provides premium packing materials and vehicles to make the process stress-free. If you are looking for a world-class company, we will ensure that the process is smooth and efficient. Our company offers the following long-distance moving service options. Packing services. The process of packing and unpacking is very daunting, and hiring us makes the process streamlined. Moving supplies. Our company provides all our clients with premium packing materials that ensures that your goods are safe and secure. An on-time move. We arrive at your home or office at the right time and strive to avoid delays and cancellations. Upfront pricing. We offer upfront price quotes for all our clients, and our movers will not ask for any additional money not stated in the price quote. Licensed and insured. Our company is insured and licensed. When dealing with us, you are assured of 100% professionalism. It's not easy to relocate when you need to go 100 miles away or further. Our team will make sure you get there sooner and easier. When you trust us, your move becomes so much easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oxford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.